Alright, we're gonna show how to change the length of your tracks within a sequence without creating a whole new sequence and all that. So let's say you have a sample, it's 8 bars long, right? Sorry I got the drums already going, but we'll get through it. What you want to do, go to the next track, see how I got 8 bars of drums, but let's say I didn't want all that 8 bars, you know what I'm saying? You go to the length section, it's next to velocity, and you just change it to how many ever beats are in the amount that you want. So instead of playing that whole thing, we got playing the same first 2 bars or 8 beats of the sequence. You know what I'm saying? And you might fuck up the drums, but let's do it. If you want odd timing on the drums, you know what I'm saying? It's up to you. But that's actually how you change the track length within a section. You just have to understand how many beats are in your bars, how many bars are in your measure, and ultimately how many beats are in your measure. You can even extend it all the way out to 32 beats, which is 4 beats times 8 bars. 32 beats. So, hope that helps. Something light. Something light.